Shortly after Ghana recorded COVID-19 cases, efforts were made to intensify social distancing as a measure to reduce the spread of the virus. The Bank of Ghana and commercial banks had to innovate by migrating more consumers onto digital and electronic banking platforms. This somehow opened the way for fraudsters who also designed illegal means to steal from unsuspecting customers. Mr. Philemon K, Ankomah, the Chief Information Security Officer with the Bank of Africa, tells Citi Business News these fraudsters normally send emails and messages embedded with malwares that expose bank accounts and ATM details.
So one of the most common modus operandi being observed over the period is what we term as speared phishing. And by speared phishing, you receive compromised emails seemingly from somebody that you know or an entity that you are familiar with. So, and it's targeted to deceive you and to gain access to your systems. Usually, most of these emails, speared phishing emails, have embedded links that are requesting the customer or the end user to click on certain links, and in so doing compromises their system. And that is the step one. From step one, they are able to probably harvest your credentials and use them to perform other activities. Sophistication being employed by hackers now is on a high side. They are quite sophisticated compared to previous years. So sometimes it's very difficult to differentiate between a genuine report and a compromised report. So we advise our customers that when you receive any email or any instruction that is requiring you to give out information that is personal to you, always ensure to confirm from your branch.
According to reports by the Criminal Investigations Department of the Ghana Police Service, the country lost more than $200 million between 2016 and 2018 on reported cybercrime cases. Security experts warn that the figure is likely to increase by half due to how sophisticated cybercrime has become. Even though financial institutions rarely report on cybercrime to protect their integrity, the phenomenon is said to be hurting the financial sector badly. For instance, banks are required to procure international security standard devices to be properly categorized for international transactions. More often than not, these devices cost financial institutions fortunes. Even though Mr. Ankomah says that the Bank of Ghana has undertaken several initiatives to protect the financial system, he explains that curbing cyber fraud in the financial sector requires the commitment of the consumer in flagging suspicious messages.
Again, you should be able to know your bank proper, know how robust their systems are. You're always welcome to ask questions. As a customer, ask your bank a question that how sure are you that I am safe if I am onboarded onto this application? Do you have strong authentication? For example, do you have this to protect me against this? So you are welcome to ask questions, and I'm sure most banks are always ready to answer those questions.